Driving question. Why are topographical maps important? Resources. Various topographical maps of Washington. Google Maps, export interviews, and REI educational video. Talking about topographical maps with my dad. I was talking to my dad about topographical maps, and he answered any questions I had. Using Google Maps to see mountains. After I used the topographical map, I wanted to see the mountains in more detail, so I used Google Maps. Starting a 3D topographical map of Washington. I have all the layers laid out on the table right here. Taking off the sticky paper of the map. I'm taking off the sticky paper because if it wasn't there, the laser cutter would burn the wood. Gluing the first layer of the map. Gluing the mountain peaks on the map. I had to glue each little mountain peak one by one to the map. Aligning the pieces on the map. I put the piece down and then rotated it up, down, right, left to match the lines. Using Q-tips to glue down the small pieces. I used a glue tip, Q-tip, to glue the small pieces so I could have a final point. Finished product. Wooden 3D topographical map of Washington. I'm finished. What I learned. Topographical maps are used to plan roads, routes, and to understand the surroundings. Topographical maps are used to plan roads because if you were going to plan a road and you didn't see a mountain because you couldn't see where the mountain was, and then when you went out to build it, you couldn't build the road because it's too steep for cars. To plan routes. If you're going to make a hike and then you planned it on a flat map and you planned it right over a cliff and you didn't see it, and then when you went to hike, you couldn't hike anymore because there was a huge cliff. Understanding the surroundings. To understand the surroundings, so people can be spatially aware, and if you're gonna build a big building or a factory, you have to be aware if there was a lake or river killing or destroying the environment. Driving question. Why are topographical maps important? Because all people should understand the surroundings. Thank you.